big shout out to my buddy Brian Forward. How you doing?
Whoa, is that a trick? Whoa, how did I pull that off? Uh-oh, we have trouble.
Muskie Bob here. Trying to outrun an osprey.
Fuck with me.
Oh God, that was wild. I had a great time today. I did a lot of flying. All bush planes.
Oh shit.
Damn it! Gotta get this damn big bird off my ass. Chasing me all the way across the field. I gotta outmaneuver him. I bet he never seen that. I think it's safe to say I shook him off, man. Just in case. Give him a little maneuver. I also flew my Tundra. And it was a lot of fun. I enjoy it. I think the Cub is so much more maneuverable. Good thing it was the Cub being chased by that big bird. I'd say the Cub and the Tundra have the same wing, but the Tundra's fuselage is twice the mass. Kind of a boxcar, but fun to fly. And you gotta love them barn door flaps. You just gotta love them. The thing sounds a little rough. I better pull the prop off, check it all out. Here we come, right down the road. Nice. As David yourself would say, nice. Here it is. Yeah. Well, here comes the Cub. Thanks a lot for watching.